Oh, sorry. What was that?
I think I just got the hiccups.
Don't worry, I got plenty of ways to get rid of them.
Good, because I hate the hiccups.
Oh, really? I thought you just loved the hiccups.
There's no need to be sarcastic, Shelby.
Okay, Kim. First way, hold your breath.
Okay.
For as long as you can, okay?
Okay.
Start. Okay, I have to go get a soda, so stay in here and hold your breath. Ooh, well, no. Ooh. I guess I'm not that thirsty anymore. Kim? Oh, great. Oh!
Spoonful of sugar helps the medicine go down.
Okay, Kim, this is definitely gonna do it. All you have to do is eat this one spoonful of sugar.
No way!
It'll help. Just do it. Just do it. Just do it.
No!
It'll help. Just do it. No! Will you just do it, please?
Just a spoonful of sugar helps the medicine go down in a most delightful way.
Are you even sure this is gonna work? Everyone knows that smelling scented candles gets rid of the hiccups, Kim. So. You ready?
Let's do this.
Come on, Kim, you gotta want it! You gotta want it! You gotta want it, Kim! Yeah!
I need you right now. Let's get lost tonight.
You gotta want it, Kim! You gotta do this! You're gonna hurt your hiccups!
My nose burns.
Well, that's because you couldn't smell a pile of poop if it was in front of your face! Kim, I have a great new idea. You should clean my room.
Okay.
Yeah, so, is it working?
I don't think so.
Oh, maybe it's because, there's a spot over there. Over where? Over there.
Okay.
Yeah, get out of the way. Leave the bands on.
No!
You know, laughing is a good way to get rid of the hiccups. I'll tell a joke. How many people are dead in the cemetery?
I don't know. 4.
All of them. Yes, it was, because all the people are dead.
It wasn't funny.
Yes, it was.
It's a stupid joke. Why would you even bother telling that?
That's disgusting. You're bad. I guess I'll just have to scare them out of her.
Hey, Shao? Shao, you in here? Shao? What are you doing? Shao? What are you doing? Run! Ah! Great.
Alright, Kim. I don't know how to get rid of your hiccups. We've tried everything.
Well, hey, I think they're gone. I haven't had them in a while.
Really?
Yeah.
Cool, it worked! Wait.
Uh-oh.
I take it in stride one day at a time. If I ask no questions, I'll hear no lies. How come blessings only come in disguise? Try to emphasize as I vocalize. Ain't nothing gonna get between me and my flow. Ain't nothing gonna come between me and my afro. My man just left. What do you know? Is it come? Is it go? He came out of the blue and went right.
And said do stuff together, you with you and me. And it's for anywhere, anytime and all that.
Why aren't you Kim? Jeez! Are hiccups gone?
No, scream real though. Not okay, one more time. No, you have.
Oh damn, I wasn't supposed to